Good morning. Here's a wonderful fun fact about mindset. I think this is going to be very inspirational, super motivational, and very eye-opening. This could be a very aha moment for you. So when we're trying to create something, we're thinking super big picture. We're looking at that C-type goal, and we don't know how it's going to come around. We don't know what piece is next. We don't know how we're going to connect the dots. It's actually 95% mindset and only 5% strategy. I want you to think about that. Instead of worrying about how it's going to come or what you have to do to make it all fall into line, think about your mindset. Go deeper into mindset. That's where the answer is. And if you guys are interested in finding out more about mindset, what I've been doing to really get myself the awesome results that I've been getting as far as my energy, my enthusiasm, the way that I'm looking at life, go ahead and get in touch with me and let me know, because I'd love to be able to share all this stuff with you. There is no secret here, but I have found that my mindset has been developing very, very rapidly, super quick, and I love the direction that I'm going. So I'd love to be able to share with you guys. And if you are interested, just comment below, and I'd love to be able to get in touch with you guys and share what value I have and give you guys that information. We live in an abundant universe, and we should share all this with one another. So have a great day. Many blessings.